Dear children, welcome back to the interactive session. From this lesson, we will come to know about location, political division, and physical features of North America. Location. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It was first discovered by Viking in the 10th century. Later, in 1492, an Italian explorer, Christopher Columbus, officially set foot in America. It is located between 7° north latitude and 83° north latitudes, between 53° west latitude and 180° west longitude. It is entirely within the northern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It can also be described as a northern subcontinent. North America has three large countries. They are Canada, USA, and Mexico. It is entirely in the northwestern hemisphere. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Atlantic Ocean in the east, with the Isthmus of Panama, which connects it to South America. Children, now answer the questions. First question. What is the exact location of North America and how many countries are there in total? Here is another question. Refer the reader and write the capital cities for the following countries of North America: Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, USA, Panama, and Mexico. Physical features. North America has a variety of landforms. It can be roughly divided into 4 physical divisions. They are Western Cordilleras, Canadian Shield, Appalachian Mountains, and Central Lowland. Western Cordilleras. The Western Cordilleras is an extensive mountain system located in the west part of North America. These are the Young Fold Mountains and run from Alaska in the north to Panama in the south. The Rocky Mountains are the easternmost chain of mountains and make up a larger part of Western Cordilleras. The other important mountain ranges are the Alaska Range, the Pacific Coast Range, the Cascade Range, the Sierra Nevada, and the Sierra Madre. Mount McKinley in Alaska is the highest peak of Cordillera region. In between these parallel ranges lie a number of intermontane plateaus. The Great Canyon is the largest world-famous canyon and is a part of Cordilleras. Now, Slaters, answer the following questions. Name the 4 physical divisions of North America. What are the important mountain ranges of Cordilleras? Canadian Shield. The Canadian Shield centers around the Hudson Bay and it is located in the northern and northeastern parts of North America. It occupies about half the area of Canada. During the Ice Age, the entire Canadian Shield was covered with ice sheets. Even today, the northern part of the shield remains under snow and ice almost throughout the year. The Great Lakes from the southern boundary of the Canadian Shield. The Great Lakes are Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. The famous Niagara Falls is located between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Appalachian Mountains. The Appalachian Mountains are also called the Eastern Highlands. These are old mountains. The major ranges of these mountains are the Green Mountains, the White Mountains, and the Blue Ridge. The eastern part of the Appalachian Mountains is occupied by the Piedmont. Many short rivers originate in the Appalachian Mountains and flow into the Atlantic Ocean. Central Lowland. The central lowland or the prairie lie between the Appalachian in the east and the Arctic Ocean in the west. This lowland extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Gulf of Mexico in the south. The prairie is one of the biggest and most fertile plains in the world. In this grassland, trees are rare except along the rivers. The entire region is extensively cultivated. This region is drained by the Mackenzie, the Schleswig, Nelson, the Mississippi, Missouri, and the St. Lawrence rivers. Now, here are a few questions for Slaters. The first question is, write the names of Great Lakes. Which is the largest among the Great Lakes? The second question is, write about the land that lies between the Appalachian and the Rocky Mountains. Water bodies. North America is a land of great rivers and lakes. Most of the rivers in North America originate from the Western Cordillera and drain into the Arctic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of America. River Mackenzie, Saskatchewan, Nelson drain into Arctic Ocean. River Hudson, Potomac, and St. Lawrence drain into Atlantic Ocean. River Mississippi, Missouri, Ohio, Arkansas, Rio Grande drain into Gulf of Mexico. River Columbia and Fraser drain into Pacific Ocean. Lakes. North America has more lakes than any other continent in the world. Most of them are located in the central lowland. The chains of 5 lakes, namely Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario, are called the Great Lakes. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. The important lakes in Canada are the Great Bear, the Great Slave, Athabasca, and Winnipeg. Lake Chapala in Mexico and Lake Nicaragua in Central America are the other lakes. Dear Slaters, write the answers for the questions asked in your classwork. The following are the questions. First question, what is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of North America? Second question, write the capital cities for the following countries of North America: Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, USA, Panama, and Mexico. The third question is, name the 4 physical divisions of North America. The fourth question is, what are the important mountain ranges of Cordilleras? The fifth question is, write the names of the Great Lakes. Which is the largest among the Great Lakes? The sixth question is, write about the land that lies in between the Appalachian and the Rocky Mountains.